Photoshop. So when I get stuff like this, the first thing I like to do is crop it. Then I'm gonna convert it to a smart image. And I'm gonna scale it down just like that. Then after that, I'm gonna mess with the levels a little bit. I'm gonna make it a little darker so the quality that we losing by scaling it up, it's gonna kind of save it. It's gonna look way better. It's gonna keep that bitch raw. Then I'll probably add a little highlights to it while I'm in the mix with it. Then I'm gonna add some highlights to the headlights. Just like that. Then I'm gonna throw a texture overlay on top of this. I'm gonna mess with the blending modes a little bit. Top 5 one that's raw to me. So then I'm gonna scale it up because I ain't like all that white on it. Usually people wait to the end, but I'm gonna go and get the text out the way now so I get a visual for how I want it to look. So I don't like how this text looks, so I'm gonna take the full out of it and then throw an outer glow on it so it can just be an outline. Now I'm gonna mess with the settings a little bit and get the red standing out a little more so you can read the text. It's raw already. With colors like this, since you can't do too much to it, you just gotta be creative and see what works for you so you can still make it stand out. So at first I was about to just do all of him, so I changed my mind, like it looked way better with this skin. Once you get your mask, you want to invert it, then you want to paint over his skin. Now that we done with that, I'm gonna add a blur to this. I'm gonna blur everything but his face. To me, it make it look like more presentable and like catch your eye more because you see his face. And you don't really need to see what he's sitting on and all that anyway. Now I the blur on there, I'm gonna add a camera raw effect to this. And with that, if you like what you seen, comment down below and subscribe.